Uh, Good evening everyone, I'm Vishruth and I'm from STEMX. I study in grade 8. Today I built this project called Everstorm with a Lego Mindstorm EV3 and I have made a code for it to go forward. So for this we have used two large motors here and here which help it to walk. This medium motor helps it to shoot out these balls, and the sensors we have used are the color sensor, the touch sensor and the ultrasonic distance sensor. So I'll just make it move forward right now. Thank you.